Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A34 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on backup and tap on next. Tap on add account. Make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, oh, sorry. And now let's tap on next. Okay, let me try again. Okay, tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them and learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, so here we have to decide what kind of data we want to back up, so photos and videos and other device data, you can mark both. I'll choose only this one and tap on confirm. Okay, manage backup. And here we've got the section where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage. You can check backup details, so what has already been backed up, advanced settings. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now. And for some reason I cannot back up my data right now. Basically you have to wait until your device will check the space on your account. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.